back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one, again, is going to be in the healthcare field. But if you enjoy any of these job leads that I share, please share this video with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And of course, the links to this page, if you want to put that application in, are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Premera Blue Cross. Now, Blue Cross Blue Shield has different divisions in different states, but they are a health insurance company. They are hiring a medical records retrieval specialist. This is telecommuter remote for the United States. But a medical records specialist is going to work in coordination with their risk adjustment and quality departments to retrieve medical records from different provider systems, copying the service systems, and creating and generating letter requests to the providers. So you'll take and retrieve those medical records from multiple provider electronic health record systems. You'll generate a letter request in the system to print on behalf of Premier Risk and Quality Departments. You may have to do a little bit of a telephone. This is not a customer service position where you're taking inbound phone calls, but you may have to pick up the phone call and make an outbound phone call to providers sometimes for status and help remove retrieval barriers. This is going to include a lot of data entry into the medical records system. If you're good with occasionally making a few outbound phone calls, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and it says 2 years of relevant experience. They do want somebody who is knowledgeable about HIPAA and privacy laws, someone who has high-speed internet connection, and they do prefer somebody who has a previous electronic health record knowledge and experience. Now, pay for this position, of course, is going to be dependent on location and experience. They say the national salary range is anywhere from $35,700 a year all the way up to $53,500 a year. They are also offering standard benefit package. Your benefits start on day one of your employment, so there is no waiting period. They offer medical, dental, and vision coverage, life and disability insurance, 401k plans, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.